Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we will show you how to draw a technical plan from a sketch with 25 must-know commands in AutoCAD. Let's start with setting the unit of measure we will draw. You can select the unit of measurement to draw with the units command. After setting the measurement unit, import the scanned sketch into AutoCAD. If the file you want to import is in a format other than PDF, you can use the attach or image attach command. We change the location of our image with the move command. If the image you want to import is in PDF format, you can use the PDF import command. This command will import your PDF file as vector. If you want your image to be imported as an image, make sure that the raster image option is selected. To change the boundaries of your PDF, you can collapse and expand it with Create Clipping Boundary. You can also create your borders by drawing the shape you want. Now let's set our layer settings. We open Layer Properties. From here, we create layers with New Layer command or Alt+ and shortcut and name them. Then we set the colors. If you want, you can also adjust the line thicknesses here. Now let's scale our image approximately according to the dimensions written in the sketch. After choosing our image, we choose the Scale command. After clicking anywhere, we will scale according to the reference points, so we enter R and select the reference points and enter the measurement. After scaling our image, we can start our drawing. We draw endless lines with the Xline command to determine our borders, and we continue this process according to the dimensions written in the sketch. With the Offset command, we create new lines parallel to the lines we want, at the distance we specify. In order to draw an infinite line with a certain angle, after entering the Xline command, you can click Ang from the panel below or type A and then enter an angle. We draw the borders we set with the Polyline command. The reason why we use the Polyline command instead of line is that we will draw continuous lines. With Polyline, we draw our walls with reference to the dimensions written in the sketch. After the drawing is finished, we can delete the infinite line. We start drawing the walls with the Polyline. To draw the wall thickness, You can continue drawing with the Polyline, or you can use the Offset command, which is a shorter way. In the same way we draw the inner walls. After finishing the drawing of the inner walls, we clean the excess lines at the intersections with the trim command. Then we combine the lines with the join command. After the wall drawing is finished, we can draw doors. We determine the places where the doors will come, and we open the gaps with the trim command. After trimming, we join the lines to make them continuing lines. After creating the spaces on the walls, we change our layer to draw the doors. We draw the door frame with the rectangle command. After entering the rectangle command, first we enter the length and then enter the width dimensions. We copy the line we draw. You can copy with Ctrl+C or you can enter the copy command to make multiple copies. We change the continuation lines with dashed lines to represent the gap between the door frames. We scale the line from the Line Type Scale section. We draw the door and rotate it 45 degrees with the Rotate command. Then we draw the door opening direction with the Arc command and change its line type. To draw doors in different scales, we copy and modify the door we have drawn. In order to adjust the length of the doors to the dimensions we want, we move the door frame and stretch the lines. As a shorter way, you can use the Stretch command. Select the points you want to stretch and enter stretch length. We follow the same steps for the other door. We put the doors in their place on the plan. We switch to the window layer and start drawing the windows. First, we draw the joinery. Separate the lines from the joints with the explode command and delete the overlapping lines. To create a mirrored copy of joinery, we select it and enter the mirror command, and we determine the point to be mirrored. We continue to draw windows in different scales, as we did when drawing doors. Here we repeat the steps we did while drawing the doors. We determine the locations of the windows and move the windows to these points. After putting the windows in their places on the plan, hatch the walls using the hatch command with the appropriate hatch according to the material of our building. You can select the areas to hatch with pick point or select options. After selecting the hatch you want, you can scale the hatch according to the plan. Scale you draw. We switch to the text layer and write the names of the rooms using the text command. We create new layers for furnishings. You can use the drawings you have for furnishings, or you can use our CAD packs. You can find the links of CAD packs we use in this drawing in the description box below. Now we get to the fun part. We modify our furnishings according to the plan and place them. To delete the hatch of the furnishings we copied, we use the Quick Select command. Then we move the furnishings to the layer we want. We group the furnishings to move and scale easily. To change the straight stone path, we create a wavy path with the Spline command. Then we place the stones on this path and arrange the Array command according to the path. Then we continue to modify the furnishings. In this part, we use the extend command to extend the lines. As you can see here, when you can't see the lines or hatches properly, you can fix them with the regeneration command. After placing the furnishings, our plan is ready. We hope you like this video. See you on the next one.